In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gym tracker in Notion. If you want a simple way to organize your workouts, stay consistent, and actually see your progress over time, Notion is a great tool for it. The goal here is to build a tracker that's easy to update after every session and clear enough to review later when you want to measure improvement. Start by creating a brand new page in Notion for your gym tracker. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find whenever you open your workspace. This page will act as your main fitness dashboard, so think of it as the home base for everything related to your workouts. Once the page is ready, add a workout database. A database works well because it lets you store each workout in a structured format instead of keeping everything in plain notes. This makes your tracker much easier to sort, filter, and review later. You can use a table view if you want the cleanest setup to start with. Next, add the key properties you'll need to log each workout. Include a date property so you know exactly when a session happened. Add a workout type property to label sessions like upper body, lower body, push, pull, legs, or cardio, depending on how you train. Then create properties for exercise, sets, reps, and weight. These are the core details that help you track performance accurately. Keeping these fields consistent will make your database much more useful over time. After that, create a template for each workout session. This is a huge time saver because instead of building every new entry from scratch, you'll be able to open a pre-formatted workout page and fill in the details. Set it up in a way that matches how you usually train, so logging your workout becomes quick and natural. Now add your workout plan for each gym day. This gives your tracker structure before you even begin logging completed sessions. For example, you can prepare the exercises you plan to do on different training days, which makes it easier to stay focused once you're at the gym. It also helps reduce guesswork and keeps your routine organized. After every workout, record the exercises you completed. Update the sets, reps, and weight you actually used, not just what you plan to do. This is the most important habit in the whole system because the value of the tracker comes from accurate, regular logging. Finally, track your progress by reviewing your weights, reps, and consistency over time. Look for patterns, improvements, and areas where you may be stalling. Even small increases matter. When you can clearly see your history, it becomes much easier to stay motivated and make smarter training decisions. That's how you turn a simple Notion page into a useful gym progress system.